Hello everyone, today we are going to make chole bhature. Today special something. Okay, so begin with the ingredients of the chole. Here we have boiled chole which I soak overnight. Okay, and the ingredient will be the onion, tomato puree, just basic tomato puree we have. Just some chili, ginger, garlic, some amchur powder, chole masala, okay, and curd, oil, and some spices we have here: the red chili powder, cumin seed, jeera powder, and coriander powder, and turmeric and red chili powder. Okay, so for a bhature, we are using refined flour, which is maida we call it, and in that I am going to add some salt as per taste. Okay, here I am taking some yogurt, 2 to 3 spoon of yogurt. And then I am going to add some sugar in it. Sugar for what purpose? Sugar, it gives the color to the bhature. Add some semolina in it, which we call it rava. That's it. Okay. Now I'll mix this ingredient roughly. Water as per requirement. Now I'll start kneading the dough. And okay, ready? After kneading the dough, I kept the dough for some time with the wet cloth. Now I'm making small ball of it. You can see the size. If you want big size of bhatura, you can take a big size of small balls. While making bhatura, use oil a little bit. Don't use flour, because in the Indian home, basically normally we using flour to knead the dough. Bhatura is as per your requirement, how you want. Round, I like this shape, that's why I am frying like this. Now you can see bhatura is popping up. Now you can see the effect of sugar, right? While kneading, we add some sugar in that. So now the color is coming. Is almost ready. Now you can. So let's begin with the chole. For the chole, take a heavy bottom pan, so it will help. So it will not stick your chole while you boiling, right? So the kadai will be on low flame. The oil goes in it. Now let the oil little bit heat up. Okay, till that time, which I boil, I'm mashing little bit, not too much. Okay. Now after I mash, okay, now start with this thing. I'm putting little bit cumin seed in it. Let that crack a little bit. Okay. Now I'll add little bit ginger, garlic, just saute a little bit. Make sure it will not burn. When the fragrance coming out, add onion in it, chop onion. Saute the onion till light golden brown color. See the color of the onion after sauteing while. Okay, now it's time to add some chole which we already boiled. Okay, just let it quick stir. Lower the flame. Now start putting your spices slowly. Red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric, and don't forget to add chole masala. In the market you will get different types of chole masala as per the company. Right now I got from the Majetia, so I am putting this Majetia masala. Just saute. Just put little bit, 1 spoon of curd in it, 1 or 2 spoons. Okay, now add your tomato puree. Add some amchur powder in it, salt as per your requirement. Just stir little bit and just I'm using same water which we leftover water from the chickpeas, because all this flavor in this water we have. Okay, now let the simmer little. Let the simmer the chickpeas. Till that time, add some green chili in it. The spiciness is as per your requirement. If you like more spicy, you can add little bit more red chili powder or green chili in it. But make sure it should be palatable and edible, not to be too much spicy so everyone like. Okay, now I'll keep this for a little bit simmering. Now see the color of the chole after simmering. Okay, now for the final touch, I am adding coriander in it, handful of coriander. Coriander is must in Indian food, always remember. Then I'll add some kasturi methi in it. Now give a quick stir. our chole is done.